A'udzu billahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All of my friends, welcome in KZ Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make another delicious and healthy breakfast or lunch. You can make anytime and these are very easy. Let's start the preparation of this recipe. First of all, we will prepare our dough for these buns. Here I have some ingredients for the dough. I have 1 whole egg and 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and also I have 3 cup measured all-purpose flour or bread flour. I am gonna use Tetra Pak Nestle milk pack. It's full cream milk and very nutritious and healthy. I will heat it little bit. Also, I have another product. It's also very healthy and nutritious and very tasteful ingredient. Blue Band margarine. I have taken 2 tablespoon or 3 tablespoon. Now I am adding my sugar and salt also in this beaten egg. Let's mix them. Now I'm gonna use safe instant yeast, which is 2 tablespoon. Just mix these ingredients, and now I'm gonna add my lukewarm milk in it, and after that we will need a smooth and fine dough with this mixture. Add your complete mixture in it. Now with the help of your hand, knead it very well. Also, I will use some water for kneading this dough, but that wouldn't be hot or lukewarm. That will be normal water. Add little by little. After kneading the dough, we will give it rest first for 1 hour, and then again we will degas, and again we will give it some rest 10 to 15 minutes. I'm kneading it. You can use your counter for kneading this dough if you have. Otherwise, you can also use your pot. Now I'm using some more butter, about 1 tablespoon. Now I'm kneading it again. Just you have to follow each and every step as it is. I'm kneading it like this so our butter could absorb in this dough and it become a totally smooth dough. Now it's ready. You can see it's not sticking. Let's cover it with a cling wrap. If you don't have cling wrap, so you can use your lid and napkin for covering it. We will give it rest first 1 hour. Now it's getting ferment. Keep it inside. Now it's mashallah ready. It's double in size. You can see that is not sticking. So let's degas our dough. This step is very important. We degas our dough so it could rise again and give us a best result. Now I'm separating some parts suitable parts. So we could make our mince and veg buns. Just what do you have to do? You have to pull or stretch its corners and place or press and in center. Now I have made portions. Now I have taken 1 cup boiled beef mince, 1 boiled carrot, 2 chopped onion, some chopped spring onion and 2 tablespoon chopped garlic. Now I am adding half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon honey. You can use sugar or brown sugar, half teaspoon white pepper and 1 tablespoon Nationals tomato ketchup. Its taste is really very good. That's why I'm adding in my filling or stuffing. Okay, let's mix them together. Mix them proper. Now it's ready to use. Okay, I'm gonna use these molds for baking purpose. Let's grease our counter. Now take one portion of dough and press it like this, but don't stretch it more. Just spread like this and fill your stuffing or mince filling in the center of this dough. Now pull its corner and press in center. Again pull its corner and press in center and roll it little bit and then it's ready. Now we will keep it in it, but so first of all we will grease it with oil or butter. Now I will brush our beaten egg yolk on the top of this mince and veg bun, and also I'm sprinkling some white sesame seeds. Again repeat the process and make your all mince and veg buns. Now bake them, and now mashallah these are ready. Immediately brush with oil or butter, melted butter, so it could become soft. Mashallah these are looking very beautiful. Just how would we open it or demold? Just stretch your mold little bit and those will come out. It's so easy. That's why I used these molds. These are too hot at that time. Mashallah, mashallah, these are very, very beautiful and soft. Instead, these are stuffed, but these are really very soft. Let's serve with our Nationals tomato ketchup. Okay, viewers, I hope you definitely like my recipe and definitely you will try at your homes. So, see you soon, inshallah ta'ala, with another delicious recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz and also enjoy my recipe, please.